Did you guys want to go for a walk? Hey, you guys ready for go for a walk? Are you ready? Okay, hold on.
Good day, everybody. Today, I would like you to come join us for a walk in the woods with this crew. In this video, you will see Joey, right here, takes his first swim. The dogs listen beautifully along the trail, and plenty of playful zigzagging along the way. Don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us which part of this walk today you enjoyed the most.
Come on, let's go. Everybody disappeared on me. I don't even know where they all are. Hey, but you stuck with me, Gus Gus. And now you're gone too. You ready to go have fun in the woods? Come here, pup. Come here, dogs. Good puppies. Are we stalling? We're stalling. Someone else was on the trail. Are we in the clear? I think we are. I think I saw them walk away. Boy. Always checking in on me, aren't you, handsome? Come here, Sam. Come on, baby girl. Good girl. Good boy, Gus Gus. Ready to go again? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good boy, Joey. Good boy. It's okay, Joey. I'm right behind you, buddy. Let's go. Let's go, baby girl. Come on, Betty. Come on, Betty. Ah, we found a bug. We found a bug. I got no issues with you going down there. None whatsoever. Oh my God, Joey's first swim. Good boy. Good girl, Sam. Unfortunately, Joey, it's really muddy water, so you'll probably enjoy that. Good job, Joey. Your first swim. Let's see how you shake off for the first time. Hey? There you go. Mama taught you. Mama taught you well. Oh my goodness, you are so muddy. You are so muddy. Look at you. Come on, baby. Yeah, shake it off. Come on, Sam, I am. Come on. I know. You're all upset now. You're wet. Hey, you're wet. Come on, Sam. Come on, dogs. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good job for just getting in the water, though, Joey. I'm proud of you. Come on. Come on. Let's go this way. It's safer. Come here. Dogs. I think Sam found the chipmunk. Mr. Joey, you don't have to cry, baby. You're with us. There you go. See? Nobody's leaving you. Why are you being a silk? Okay. I know. You got yourself all dirty. Is that what the problem is? Hey, is it the dirt? It isn't. Come here, Sam. Off to get that chipmunk again. Come on, baby girl. Come on, Joey. It's okay. What are you guys doing over there? Let's go. Come on, Sam. Come on. Let's go. What did you find that you're so interested in? Oh, it's deer poop. It's deer poop, everybody. Who cares? Come on, dogs. Deer's poop in the woods. So do you. So let's go. Come on. Let's go. That's what I figured. You always mark the same spot. Did you know that? You probably did. You probably did. Let's go. Come on. Good girl, Betty. Come on, Betty. Hello, Mr. Joe. You're still crying? You're still crying? Oh, my goodness. Come on, baby boy. It's okay. Come on. You want to swim? Come here. Come here. Go do your thing. Come on, Joey. Good pups. You gonna do it again, I wonder? Everybody get their paws wet? You did? Come on, let's keep going. Go. Go play. Go play. Come here, dogs. Heel. Heel. Good pups. Stay. Jojo. You gotta get in the frame, buddy. Okay, or not. Let's keep going. Come on. Heel. Good pups. Heel. Good pups. Ha ha ha. Heel. Good boy. Yes. Heel, everybody. Good pups. Ha ha ha. Heel. It's the end of the walk. Heel. Heel. Good puppies. You're so good. You're so good. Heel. The only reason why he's that far ahead is because he doesn't know that word. Haven't taught it to him yet. Heel. Heel. Betty. Jojo, come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Okay, everybody, heel. We're almost at the vehicle. Heel. Let's go. Heel. Betty. Good girl. Heel. Good pups. Here, heel, heel! Dogs! Well, I guess you all met the neighbor, huh? You know, that lady you ran to and didn't listen to me and went to her anyways? You're lucky she's a dog person. 4 large dogs running at you, not listening to their owner, that's intimidating. Jojo, snack time is not now. Snack time is not now. Supper time is, though.
Thank you for joining us on today's Walk in the Woods.
We're home now.
Joey's
Yep,
first swim was definitely a highlight, and the dogs had an amazing time exploring. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, leave a comment, and let us know what your favorite part was of this video today.
That is usually
Until then, see you next time, everybody.
Teaching Joe your ways. Down that water vent. Okay, let's go eat. Let's go eat. Let's go. Come on, let's go get something to eat. You ready?